ड्राउट, बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट इश्यूज है, तो अगले 2 दिन में अगर ये ले ले तो हम सब सरकार का साथ देंगे. Sir, the Honorable Amit Shah ji, when he corrected one of his speakers, he was very graceful and he said, why can't men? भाई भी कर सकता है. जी सही बात है, हर घर में ऐसे भाई नहीं होते जो बहन का सब अच्छा कल्याण देखते हैं, but that is very kind of him to say that. हर की तकदीर इतनी अच्छी नहीं होती, but फिर भी the men, I never say, I always say there are 2 wheels for a cycle to work. So men are equally important, and I would like to about the men which has influenced our lives as women. It was B.R. Ambedkar who gave us a right to vote. It was Mahatma Phule, he made sure gave us education, and a woman like me stands here educated and qualified because of what he contributed. And the women policy which was first, I say that with extreme pride in my heart, that the women policy which was started by initiated in the Congress under the leadership of Shri Rajiv Gandhi. I was fortunate enough to say it's my father Sharad Pawar who in Maharashtra was the first state to implement Panchayat Raj 33% reservation. And it's about the girl child. I mean, Sunita Dugal ji was talking about the issues that women have. Fortunately, I was born in a very liberal home. My father and my mother, there was only one condition my father laid to my mother, that if we have a child, whatever the gender, it can be any gender, a girl or a boy, but we are not going to have more than one child. And I was born, and my father after that did the family planning, not my mother. So I really say this, it was 50 years ago, 5 decades, when nobody talked about Beti Padhao or Beti Bachao. I come from a family, and same is applicable to my friend Kanimoli. Her mother also chose to have only one child as her parents have had. So we come from these families. You also, Raja ji also has only one child, one daughter. So we are very lucky about, you also have one daughter. This is a great house where we are blessed that in decades we are genuinely liberal. We are not looking for one. There are many families which come from this kind of liberal modern thinking where we are not trapped into genders. Sir, this is a big social change that we came in. I would like to bring few points to notice which I think Nishikant Dubey ji, the lead speaker, I mean, I don't get into the gender, so I'm not affected whether he led the debate from BJP or he did. But I want to ask some clarifications to BJP. I felt, these were my emotions, that BJP was taking anticipatory bail by making him lead from the front this time in the debate. The reason of the anticipatory bail was he was asking us all the questions which we have raised or which have come in newspapers or what people have said yesterday. He yesterday said, he said that, oh, ये तो ST, SC, OBC का अभी मांग करेंगे. क्यों नहीं मांग करेंगे? सरकार से हम लोग opposition मांग नहीं करेगी तो कौन करेगा? And why not? This is a great golden opportunity on 303. दे दीजिए. Nothing wrong. So why is it that we are only asking for something? बड़ा दिल करके आप ST, SC, OBC, let's make a constitutional amendment. It's a special session. Let's send a message to this nation that we are committed to ST, SC and OBC. What is wrong with that? And if they have a different view, BJP must clarify that stand. The another point, sir, which is very concerning with what he said was, he said that Geeta Mukherjee, Sushma Swaraj. He's absolutely right. I have high regard for Sushma ji in my heart. But what he mentioned, another person was Brinda Karatji. आपको याद होगा 2010 में Brinda Karatji also contributed substantially. There are a lot of women who did exceptionally well for bringing in this bill. No, I'm not yielding.
Please.
The whole history is that Pramila Dandavate from Maharashtra, जिस राज्य से मैं आती हूँ, Pramila Dandavate 1996 got the first private members bill, and women like